and welcome to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, I am so happy. Welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Now, even though so many people are choosing to go with the monotone all white room, or of course the gray room that some people seem to love and some people are definitely over, there are a smaller group of people that are choosing to go really bold when it comes to home decor. And one color that I have been seeing quite frequently is dark green. Dark green in home decor exudes a sense of sophistication and serenity. This really rich hue can bring a touch of nature inside, creating a calming and grounding atmosphere. It pairs beautifully with natural materials like wood and leather, adding depth and warmth to any space. Whether used on walls, furniture, or accents, dark green can make a bold statement or even serve as a neutral backdrop, depending on the other elements in the room. It's versatile, it's timeless, and it's perfect for creating a cozy, elegant environment. One thing that I hear people are really nervous about when thinking about going with a color like dark green is really how to do it. Is it going to make my room look very dark? And that, my dear, is up to you. As you can see in this video, some people choose to just really go dark green everywhere, walls, even ceilings in some cases, furniture, and that can make it look a little dark. However, you do have to take into account what your specific room looks like. If it's a room that doesn't have a lot of natural light, maybe incorporating things like overhead ceiling lights, recessed lighting, or lamps and other forms of lighting could be the way for you to go. If it is a room that has tons of that comes through, going with a dark green isn't going to affect you that much because you still have that beautiful natural lighting that's shining through your room. But some people choose dark green because of the fact that it is a dark color. Think about rooms like a wine cellar or a man cave, a room where you traditionally don't see tons of natural lighting. Dark green works beautifully there, especially like we already said, because it pairs so nicely with wood and leather. But don't get me wrong, dark green is not just for masculine interiors. You can absolutely pair it with light floral colors or pastels to create a one-of-a-kind room all your own. So enjoy the video and stick around until the end where I show you my favorite ways to use the dark green color. Keep watching, friends. Okay guys, so let's talk about some of my favorites. Now these are just mine, they don't have to be yours. I love this one just because of this pattern wallpaper, and this goes along with what I'm saying, that dark green doesn't always have to be super dark. Look how much light this room has. I also love this room because, well, it's dark. I think it's beautiful, but I love those accents of pink there, and of course that beautiful wooden nightstand. Now I love this room. I'm trying to figure out if this is AI generated or not. I can't really tell, but I love the fact that the ceiling is wallpapered, and I love this shade of green and that beautiful red headboard. Last but not least, I love this room once again because there's a ton of light there. I love this almost DIY headboard in that beautiful shade of, I don't know, what would you say, pink or mauve? And I just think it's a very light, uplifting room, even though the walls are dark green. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.